Recently, one of the world's most exquisite humanoid robots, appeared in public. It was developed with a human-like level of realism by Japanese engineers from the ALAB Corporation. Lifelike eyes, finely defined skin, organic motions, and expressive facial features are all characteristics of An. This android, which was created as a component of the Android Personality and Project, is a perfect example of Japan's efforts to build robots that are as similar to people as possible, and can move her arms, swivel her head, mimic facial emotions, and even engage in limited human interaction. Her primary responsibilities include participating in public gatherings, exhibits, and demonstrations, as well as interacting with the public as a presenting character. Furthermore, the fact that she can speak freely could make this robot the first in history to compete with actual women for men's affections, considering her incredibly attractive and lifelike facial features. This is AON, a new humanoid robot created by Hexagon, a Swedish business. The robot is made especially to operate in warehouses, logistics centers, and factories. AON stands approximately 180 centimeters tall and weighs around 80 kilograms. It moves on two legs combined with motorized wheels, giving it both stability and agility, along with the ability to move quickly through industrial spaces without losing humanoid mobility. AON is equipped with a machine vision system that includes RGB cameras, LiDAR sensors, and laser-based three-dimensional scanners, allowing it to navigate its environment with precision and build detailed digital models of its surroundings. Thanks to its advanced manipulation system, AON can accurately grasp objects, handle tools, open doors, press buttons, and perform fine technical tasks, including assembly and maintenance. It has happened. Robots have now begun replacing humans on Chinese factory floors. The first of these robots is the Agibit G1, developed by the Chinese company Juan Robotics. Agibit G1 is a humanoid robot, approximately 1 meter 30 centimeters tall and weighing around 35 kilograms. It is equipped with between 23 and 43 degrees of freedom, enabling it to perform smooth and complex movements, including walking, running, jumping, and maintaining balance when pushed. It features powerful actuators, depth cameras, and an optional tactile hand for fine manipulation, allowing it to perform delicate tasks, such as unscrewing caps or soldering. The robot's platform is powered by artificial intelligence based on deep reinforcement learning, allowing it to adapt flexibly to new tasks and environments. It also supports voice control and facial recognition. Its autonomy is around 2 hours of continuous operation, and the battery can be replaced quickly. A new hyper-realistic version of the Amika robot was recently unveiled, and it is striking in its lifelike appearance. Its face and skin have become even more human-like. The texture of the skin, the expression in the eyes, the facial movements, and even the motion of the underlying muscles are now so detailed that at first glance it is nearly impossible to tell Amika apart from a real person. The robot was developed by the British company Engineered Arts and represents one of the most advanced humanoid platforms to date. Amika is capable of reproducing a wide range of emotions, using a complex system of micro-actuators located beneath synthetic skin. It moves its eyes, turns its head, changes facial expressions, and responds to a conversation partner in real time. The technologies used in Amika combine neural network algorithms, computer vision, and advanced mechanics, allowing it to engage in natural dialogue, recognize facial expressions, and adapt its behavior to the situation. The French company Wondercraft has unveiled its new industrial humanoid robot called Calvin 40, and this machine is truly impressive. Calvin 40 is designed to handle heavy and repetitive tasks in warehouses and on production lines. It is about the height of an average human and can lift loads weighing up to 40 kilograms. The robot moves on two legs using an active balance system, supported by integrated sensors that allow it to stand confidently, move across uneven surfaces, and lean while performing tasks. Instead of conventional hands, Calvin 40 is equipped with round padded grippers specifically adapted for heavy industrial work. The American company figure continues to impress. Recently, they demonstrated remarkable progress in logistics robotics through their scaling Helix system, an upgraded humanoid robot designed to work efficiently on a conveyor belt with packages. The star of the show was their flagship humanoid, Figure 02, the second and significantly improved version of the android, built for real-world collaboration alongside humans. Figure 02 can autonomously recognize objects, orient boxes by barcodes, sort parcels, and carry loads of up to 25 kilograms. It features approximately 40 degrees of freedom, stands 168 centimeters tall, and weighs 70 kilograms. The robot is equipped with 6 RGB cameras, LiDAR sensors, microphones, speakers, and a powerful GPU-based computing platform from NVIDIA, allowing it to adapt to the fast-paced environments of production and logistics. China continues to lead in the development of humanoid robots. In Beijing, the new version of the humanoid robot Tiangong 2.0 was unveiled, developed by the Beijing Humanoid Robot Innovation Center. This model represents a major technological breakthrough. Tiangong 2.0 can confidently navigate complex terrain, including stairs, slopes, and even snowy surfaces, reaching speeds of up to 12 kilometers per hour, twice as fast as the previous version. The robot is equipped with a hot swappable battery system, enabling continuous long-term operation, which is especially valuable in industry, logistics, and emergency services. Each of the robot's arms can lift up to 16 kilograms with high precision and manipulation. Engineers at Agility Robotics unveiled a new milestone in the development of humanoid robots. The robot Digit has demonstrated the ability to independently perform shopping in a store. Using sophisticated sensors and artificial intelligence, Digit started the demonstration by picking up a red basket. It then proceeded to a shelf containing goods, meticulously choosing each item and putting it into the basket. This procedure represents a major advancement in the field of mobile manipulation, since it combines object manipulation, motion planning, and object recognition. Digit weighs roughly 63 kilograms and is about 175 centimeters tall. Its articulated limbs, well-balanced body, and totally autonomous full-body control allow it to do tasks like walking, bending, and precise grasping movements that call for full-body coordination.